Hello beautiful viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm the K-Popper Unboxer, and today we have NCT Dream's Dreamscape. This is their newest full album, and I have all of the versions. Well, I have one of each of these two versions. I don't have all the members, but I have the Real City version. I also have a Target version of the Real City. I have the Dreamscape version, the Construct version, the Vertical Slip version, which is a member version. I'm sorry, Vertical Flip, not Slip. Vertical Flip version, which isn't Mark, who's my bias. The DreamMini version, and then the SMini version, and I have Mark. So without further ado, let's start with the photo books. Okay, so we have two versions of the photo book. This is the one from Korea, and the other one is the Target version. So that one will have the Target exclusive card in it. So we will go through this version, Real City version first, and then I will look at my pull. Oops, hello. He popped right out. And then I'll look at my pull for the Target version. Make sure I got everything. Okay. So this is the Real City version, and it's the traditional photo book. I do like that they did fun things with all the versions. So it looks like there's a cover. And we have the CD. I really like this album a lot. It's very good. Here's the other cover. I'll go over my favorite tracks when we get to the track listing. So this is the Real City version. Looks like somebody dropped their cake. Oh, Mark has a little doggy. Looks like a greyhound. The first track is like an intro track, but it's very good. It's a good way to start the album. I like When I'm With You a lot. I believe that's the title track. I'm pretty sure. Flying Kiss. This is one of my favorite B-sides. I Hate Fruits. I'll just leave that right there. Mark with his little shorts. No Escape. My other favorite B-side is Best of Me. You. I like this sweater. I would say Heavenly is one of my favorite B-sides as well. And Rains in Heaven is also a very good track, too. Okay, so that was the photo book. And it looks like we get a couple of inclusions. The first thing is a folded poster. And it is member specific. And we got Chunla. Oops, look at that. With his green hair. And then who else? Then we got Polaroid. And the Polaroid is Hei-chan. Okay, then it looks like we have an envelope. And I think this is another poster. Yeah, this is the group poster. And then the thanks to on the back. Not sure why it came in a little envelope, but okay, let's see what photo card we got. Even though you sort of peeked at it already. We got Jamin with his earbud. Okay, now let's open up the Target version and see our pulls from there. And compare and contrast. Of course, this one I bought at Target in the US. Boop. Okay. So, we got, for the poster, we got a dupe! Yay! Chunla! This group poster is still the same. And then we got the Polaroid, which is Renjun. So at least we got a different member on that. And then for the Target specific card, exclusive, we got Renjun. So we got a little Renjun set. Okay, let's move on to the next version. Okay, next up we're going to do the Dreamscape version. This is like a spiral notebook kind of thing. Oop, the sticker's on the outside. I didn't realize that. Okay, so this is a spiral bound. And there's stuff in the back. Whoops. Okay, since we're back here, we'll look at the CD first. The back, we already looked at that. So I'll flip each one like that. Mark. Renjun. So overall, I really like this album a lot. It's very NCT. I also like the color scheme of these albums. I've been listening since it came out a couple weeks ago. Hey Chen. Jamin. Chenla. And Jisung. Okay, so included with this is a postcard of Hey-chan. And his thanks. We get a Dreamscape sticker. And another one. And then you get 2 photo cards. The first one is a group. And then the second one. Okay, and we got Shenla, who is my second buy in NCT Dream. Okay. Now let us move on to the construct version, or construct version, if you will. Okay, so this one is in a wrapper, outside wrapper. And it has this little tag thing on it that I guess is supposed to go on your Crocs, but I don't like Crocs or own them. So this is the NCT Dream one. And then I think an individual one comes with the DreamSmini, which we will get to in a minute. So there's the album cover art, digital cover art. And then here's the outer plastic. And the photo book. Let me take out all the stuff. Okay. There's Mark again. Ooh. Are they supposed to be like, I guess, construction, working on construction? Because this is the construct version. Okay, here's the CD. It has like a little compassy protractor-y thing on it. Okay, so you get a couple things. Okay, we got Renjun. And then we got this, right here we go, protractor with symbols and a ruler. And then we got one photo card. And it is Chenla. We are Chenla blessed today. Okay, so that's everything. Oh, don't forget this. Everything in the construct version. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, next we'll do the Dreamscape mini. And this is very similar to the last comeback. But this is greener and brighter. And it's not in a box. It's in this like a little slip. But I still really like it. This is fun packaging. Here's the mini CDs. B-side. And A-side. Okay, we have the photo book. Okay. Ooh, Mark with the glasses. That one's my favorite photo card, so I'm hoping to get that, but I will probably most likely end up buying it. So it's definitely a much, much brighter concept than the last one. And then it looks like we get a thanks to accordion. They're all playing in the water. And then an envelope of goodies. So, sticker. And then it looks like we get a random member, and it looks like we got Chenla, I think. Oops. And then you get a group card. And then you get, as you can tell, we got Jisung, all in white. Okay, so that's everything you get with this version. Okay, so last but not least, we have the two mark versions. We have the flip version and the SMini. Let's do the flip version first. So of course we got Mark. So we got two more mini CDs. Some credits. And then a flip photo book. Let's take the card out. Okay, we get some stickers. And then a photo card. We got Hey Chan. So that's everything in the vertical flip version. Okay, last but not least, we have the SMini. We have Mark. We're not doing too well with the Mark luck today, but that's okay. That means we have more fun collecting to do. Okay, there's nothing on the inside of that. Directions. And then we got Renjun. Okay, so let's go through our pulls and then we'll wrap this video up. Okay, so these are all my pulls for NCT Dream's Dreamscape. Dreamscape without the space in between. So anyway, overall, I really love this album a lot. I like that we got a full album. I love that the versions are all different. There's no two photo books, even though I have two copies of this photo book. I really like the PCs, even though we did not do too well with Mark of Luck. But that's what trading and Mercari's for. Also, speaking of Mercari, I have a Mercari shop. Just look up K-Popper Unboxer if you're interested. Most of these, if not all of these cards will be there, as well as other groups that I've just unboxed. So please check that out. Make sure you like, comment below if you're an NCT Dream fan and who your stan and who your bias is. I love hearing from you guys in the comments, so please do that. Also subscribe if you haven't. I have a lot of great unboxing videos coming, and I love sharing them with you guys. So until the next time, please take care of yourselves, take care of others, and we'll see you in the next unboxing video. Bye!